Understanding the difference between relations and functions is a big deal in math, and it helps us make a sense of how different sets of data connect. Now, what is a relation? It is a set of objects such as numbers grouped together, which may not or represent. Think of a relation as a way to link elements from two sets. Like pairing a student with their favorite subjects, you might have a list where one student is linked to multiple subjects. What is function? Function from a set X to a set Y assigns to each element of X exactly one element of Y. A functions take that idea a step further. In a function, each input has just one output. So if we say a student likes only one subject, that's a function. This one-to-one relationship helps us predict what might happen in different scenarios, which is super useful in everything. Now, there's 4 types of relations, which are one-to-one correspondence, many-to-one correspondence, one-to-many correspondence, many-to-many correspondence.
Next, one-to-one correspondence. Each value of independent variable x is unique and is associated with the unique value of the independent variable y. This image illustrates a one-to-one correspondence. This means that each unique value of the independent variable x is associated with the unique value of the dependent variable y. The image demonstrates one-to-one correspondence because each unique of x, 1, 2, 3, and 4 is associated with the unique value of y, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Imagine assigning unique student ID numbers to students in a school. And that's an example of one-to-one relationship. And next, many-to-one correspondence. 2 or more values of x is associated with the same value of y. This image shows a many-to-one correspondence. This means that multiple values of x are associated with the same value of y. The image demonstrates many-to-one correspondence because multiple values of x, 1, 2, 3, and 4 are associated with the same value of y, 4. Let's consider a real-world example of many-to-one correspondence. Imagine a school where multiple students share the same classroom. And that's an example of many-to-one relationship. Let's have one-to-many correspondence. Some value of x are associated with more than one value of y. The image shows a one-to-many correspondence between two sets of values, x and y. This means that one value in x can be associated with multiple values in y, but a value in y can only be associated with one value in x. Example, think of a teacher and their student. A teacher can have multiple students, but each student can only have one teacher. This is a one-to-many relationship. Next, many-to-many correspondence. Some values of x and y are associated with more than one value of their counterpart. This image, it visually shows how a multiple values in set x can be associated with multiple values in set y. The image demonstrates that multiple values in set x can be linked to multiple values in set y. For example, students in the courses they take, students can take multiple courses, and a course can have many students enrolled. This is a many-to-many relationship.
Thanks for watching this video, and I hope that you learned something about relation versus function and their difference. And lastly, the 4 types of relations which is one-to-one, many-to-one, one-to-many, and lastly, many-to-many correspondence. Thank you again for watching this video. Bye!